Bro, there is an AI tool right now that lives in your Slack, reads every messages and just start doing your job before you ask it to. No cap, I'm gonna show you that one plus 9 others. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly which one are worth your time and which one are hype. I'm not reading you a press release. I tested the angle, dug through what people are actually still paying for in 2026, not what blew up for a week and died. And I'm ranking them by what they actually replace. Let's go! Quick roadmap so you know what you are getting. The everyday brain tools, what replaces Google and basic thinking. The creator tools, what replaces editors, designer, voiceover artist. The worker tools that replaces actual jobs, function, coding, ops, meetings, and at the end, my honest take on which one you should learn first if you only pick one. Smash subscribe if you are into this stuff. Let's get into it. The everyday brain tools. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Still the most versatile tool out there in 2026. It writes, it researches, it does voice mode, it handles images. If you only ever learn one AI tool in your life, learn this one first. It's the Swiss Army knife. Tool number 2, Claude. This is the one I personally lean on for anything long form, writing, coding, working across big documents. If ChatGPT is all-rounder, Claude is one you bring in when you need something that actually holds together over a long task. Tool number 3, Perplexity. This one replaced Google for a huge chunk of people already. It doesn't give you 10 blue links. It gives you an actual answer with sources attached, so you can verify it instead. The creator replacement tools. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. This is the one that quietly replaced voiceover artists for a lot of small creators. Realistic AI voice generation, multiple languages, and it's genuinely hard to tell it's not a real human in a lot of cases. Tool number 5, Midjourney. If you need a striking image and you are not a designer, this is the move for anything artistic. Adobe Firefly is the safer pick if you need commercial licensing peace of mind. But for raw visual impact, Midjourney still wins. Tool number 6, Canva with AI built in. This one slept on. It turns I have an idea into actual slides, graphics, and social posts without you needing a design background. If you make thumbnails, social posts, or decks, this saves you hours a week. Tool number 7, Higgsfield. This is for more advanced creators, short films, ad concepts, that kind of thing. It blends image generation and video generation in one place, so you are not bouncing between 5 different apps. The ones that replace an actual job function. Cursor. This is what for developers is not an autocomplete anymore. It runs multiple AI agents in parallel that can work on different parts of your code base at the same time while you do something else. If you are in tech and you are not using this, you are actively behind. Tool number 9, NotebookLM. This one grounds every answer in your uploaded files, so it's not making stuff up. It's working strictly from what you gave it. Massive for studying, research, and turning a pile of messy notes into something structured. Tool number 10, the AI employee in your Slack tool. Remember what I said at the top. There is a category of tool now that acts less like software and more like a coworker. It sits in your workspace, reads what's happening, and start proactively offering to handle tasks like prepping a video description before you even ask. This is the part of 2026 that genuinely new AI that works ahead of you, not just AI that answers when you ask. My honesty, here's the truth nobody tells you in these videos. Most AI tools don't age well. New ones drop every single week, and 90% of them are gone in 6 months. So don't chase every launch you see on your feed. If I had to start from zero today, here's exactly what I'll do. Pick one general assistant, ChatGPT or Claude, and actually learn it deeply. Pick one research tool, Perplexity or NotebookLM. Pick one output tool for your specific work. Canva if you're a creator, Cancer if you code. That's it. 3 tools used well beats 20 tools used badly. If this helped you cut through the noise, drop a like. It actually helps this video reach more people who are drowning in best AI tools. Comment which tool from this list you are trying first. And if you want me to do a deep dive on any one of these, full tutorial, real workflow, tell me below, I'll make it happen. I'll see you in the next one.